your voice, you must feel good.
I hear you. I hear you,
right.
Papa.
Listen, let me ask you one question first before. Is Nora, you carry on Nora with you?
Yes, she's right here with me.
Yeah, because she needs some exposure to the country. You know, as a town girl, she needs that experience.
She needs exposure. She needs to know rural Jamaica.
That's right.
She's a one town girl. She don't know rural Jamaica.
No, I'm here this morning, believe me, I say I wonder if she was in Trinidad or one of the small countries. I couldn't understand her.
I know Nora had a problem understanding. Keisha?
When I talk about Keisha, I understand say Keisha Trinidadian, but I never know say she did fine for Miss Nora. Because you have to call Mama and I have to come do some interpreting when me and Miss Nora talk. Anyway, she's such a beautiful girl.
Nora, actor, you know. Nora, big time actor. By the way, we need to see that play that Nora was in. Yeah, we need to upload it on our YouTube channel. Yeah, to see Nora. I see Nora in a one play. Mr. But wait, Nora has potential, you know. She has potential.
By the way, Mr. Hughes, where that ship dock?
In the Kingston Harbor.
Kingston Harbor.
Yes.
Mr. Hughes, I just want to say something to you. Did you know that this fare increase that the taxi men then get it down surprising to me? Because we was paying that already, you know, from where we used to pour us, you know.
Yes, a lot of people have been saying that. They took it onto themselves and gave themselves an increase long before now.
Long before now, Mr. Hughes, and when them done them cost the government, how the government this, Jesus have mercy. Mr. Hughes,
let me tell you something on that. Yes? Bus fares or public passenger vehicle price setting has been a problem in Jamaica for many, many years. You know why? Because when it comes to bus fare increase, it is politically unpopular. So government after government don't want to grant the increase, despite them know that the increase is justified and timely and needed. They dither and delay because anytime you increase bus fare, yeah, you lose marks politically.
Yes.
So on this one, may have a stand with the public passenger operators. They run a business too. And what we have been doing is forcing them to apply the increase. Look for when gas prices gone up, February 28th, everything gone up. Yeah? The man who's selling bread and flour get increase next day, then can't get for them one. That was due from more than a year ago.
Yes, Mr. Hughes, me hear you are bad for them, but let me ask you one simple question. You run a business, would you increase Nora pay for doing less work?
No, but what you mean them do less work? What you mean them do less work?
Look at them behavior.
No, that's a different matter now. If it's behavior you're talking about, me not defend that. But I'm talking about the economic case for a bus fare increase. We do it to them all the while. We do it to them for decades. Yeah, because government finds it unpopular, which is a fact. But the point is, we can't ask them to deliver a service, yeah, and then you tie one hand behind them.
That's true.
How them are going to pay for them bills?
That's why I like talk to you, because you is a person where we can talk with people like me, understand. But let me ask you something.
Yes.
Could you give me a chance today to say something in politics?
Yes, man. But you do it all the while.
Mr. Hughes.
Yes.
I hear you do an interview with one Miss Cooper yesterday. I am wondering, and I know you're not going to entertain me by saying that, so I'm going to be very tempered. I wonder if she has any, what I would say earlier, no, leave it alone.
No, man, go ahead.
I am wondering if Miss Cooper have an early touch of Alzheimer's.
Why you put it that way?
Then, Mr. Hughes, I am not that educated, so I have to try the best because I don't want to run there because I know.
Me not run you.
Let me ask you something. When Miss Cooper said to you, God have mercy, God. I'm going to put her on the prayer line. That the people that building up hotels that you can't even see the beach. Tell me if Miss Cooper is a normal person. Is that type of person we have in your way? You can't even see the beach and the people they must leave the hotel and go do farming and manufacturing. If we want to farming, Mr. We could even complete with Trinidad. What if Miss Cooper is normal? My
Professor?
God, you can't see all the politics doing that. We would have a promotion of one day, Mr. Holding to the end, with our name fall and all kind of something. You think Michael could have done what he has done with this man himself? And we
No.
right? And
No.
when Miss Cooper know what American visa is to the Jamaican people? What?
Yes.
I don't bet you any money she have an American visa.
Papa Nana.
Yes.
Papa Nana.
Yes, sir.
Me know you don't come this morning, you know.
Yes.
Me know you don't come this morning.
Let me tell you something. Professor Rick Nadabod said a butu in a bench is still a butu.
Yes.
You understand what Mr. Perkins was saying about the intellectual ghetto?
Yes.
A butu in a bench is still a butu.
Let me say this, Papa Nana, to my listeners. Professor Cooper said a lot of stuff yesterday, several of which I didn't agree with. Yes, I didn't agree with it. And, some people felt that I should have been more aggressive.
Yes. I see where you lose your touch, to be honest with you.
I don't know if it's touch.
The Cliff Hughes that I know who
all right. I choose my battles very carefully.
Yes.
Yes? It's not everything now you run headlong into. Yes?
I know.
I am older and a little wiser. Yes?
Yes.
I achieved my objectives because Professor Cooper was not shy in declaring her position yesterday. And I knew I was going to be interviewing Professor Hope, yes, the president of the Caribbean Studies Association. And I hope you heard Professor Donna Hope.
Oh my
really
God,
putting
there is hope. There is hope.
And therein lies the method to my madness yesterday. Yes? You needed to hear one view from Professor Cooper, who I believe is still stuck in the 70s and the 80s, yes, and Professor Hope, who is of today's reality and world, yes, and I'm sure my listeners would have seen and heard the differences, yeah, and would have today, this morning, more advanced in their understanding of this issue that we are now confronting in the world. Yes? So there's a little method in my madness. I didn't think I wanted to.
Somebody, and I tell you see nationwide, even most rate today, because you hear what somebody called me and said from in America, from San Francisco. He said we have to give the kudos to nationwide because he trapped the bush from around the tree that we can see who Mrs. Cooper is. And let me tell you something, I'm begging you a chance, sir. There is some very, very good listeners to nationwide in St. Elizabeth there, Lord have mercy, I can't remember the name, but it's in that family there. In St. Elizabeth there, I can't remember the name, oh my God, never gone.
Yeah, lose your touch, Papa Nana.
Christine Nash.
Hey, Papa Nana, yeah, lose your touch too?
Yes.
Age I take it away.
But I can't remember the name. To believe me, I don't know what I'm so angry with this Cooper that to be honest with you. Yes.
Papa, age I take it away.
Yes, that me I say. Oh my, it's Slipe in St. Elizabeth.
Slipe, yes?
Yes, and it's the Nash family, especially Christine Nash. I just want you to big them up. There are some very good listeners to nationwide. And they to tell you to pray for this what's your name, Cooper. Because, boy, I'm telling you, my God, I can't believe somebody of that caliber would have really behaved in that kind of manner.
Okay, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir, we are very, very much disappointed. And Mr. Hughes, I just want
Yes.
to ask you a quick question. Did you do a survey with the program that you stopped in the evening to compare to the one that you're doing now?
We're not doing a survey, yeah, but we're getting feedback on it.
Oh, I'm glad. Because Mr. Hughes, I'm telling you, man, boy.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You see, we have to do certain things, yes, that are going to be questioned initially, yeah, but we have to persevere. In the fullness of time, you'll see the method in our madness.
Yes, but
This business, hold on, this business is changing, and we don't like change. You see, when we get used to something, we hold on to it, and we think that it must last forever. Nothing lasts forever.
Yes, but talking to you as an intelligence man, you see where them democratic rule is though. If it was autocratic, I mean, it's autocratic use and we know because we have to go by what you said.
Mm-hmm.
If we was democratic, don't we could have voice our disapproval, not true?
Mm-hmm.
What you mean?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and you that's what you're doing now.
Yes, that's what I'm
That's
doing.
that's what you're doing. Yeah.
Me I say no, but we can't do nothing about it. You know, you're autocratic, so that's the way you do.
No, we're not autocratic at all. Yeah, we run a business. Yeah, and our business is changing, and we have to change.
I agree with you. Anyway, big up at the Nash family them again, especially Miss Christine and Mark Keith where they have a forest. Big them up for me from Papa Nana.
All right, Papa. Cool.
And you know, but I make when them they go tell you not to go eat no lunch and no pay for it, you know.
Who that you talk about now?
Now the one for Bloom out now tell me no about he must go eat lunch and he not pay for it.
I don't know what you're talking about. Michael? Michael? Oh, I hear you. All right, Papa Nana. Take care of yourself, Papa Nana. Good.
You have a good day.
You too. Time for the break.